Thank you for joining this lesson. We're going to answer Surds number 14. Simplify the following Surds, leaving your answer in the form a plus b, the square root of c, for 3 marks. Root 5 divided by 2 root 2 minus root 5 plus root 2 divided by 2 root 2 plus root 5. Remember to subscribe and to share this link with your friends. So what we do here is we usually handle this surd as a normal fraction, such that if I take the LCM of the denominators, then I'm going to have the first term 2 root 2 minus the root of 5 multiplied by 2 root 2 plus the root of 5. Then now I'll be dividing the denominators with the LCM. So LCM divided by the first denominator here, we're going to get the other part here. So we're going to have the answer now multiplied by the numerator. So it will be root 5 multiplied by 2 root 2 plus the root of 5. Then the next will be plus. We again divide the LCM by the second denominator such that we remain with the first one here. So it will be now multiplied by the numerator. So the root of 2 multiplied by 2 root 2 minus the root of 5. Then at that point now, we can simplify the denominator. Remember, the two terms in the denominator are conjugates of one another. When we talk about conjugates, we mean surds which are in the form, let's say the root of a plus the root of b, then multiplied by the root of a minus the root of b. So it's like the same terms, but in the first case they have a positive, in the second case they have a minus. We call them conjugates of one another. Now, when you are simplifying conjugates, you usually get a rational number. Therefore, at the end of the day, in the numerator, we're not going to have a surd. It's now going to simplify to a rational number. And to simplify conjugates, you simply take the first part, which is a, the root of a you square, and you subtract the root of b, also squared. That is how we simply simplify conjugates instead of following the long method of simplification and opening of brackets and factorizations. So now, instead of expanding, I will take 2 root 2 I square, then I subtract the root of 5, also squared. Then now I can open brackets in the first case. This will be 2 root 10 plus, this is the root of 5 times the root of 5, which is the root of 25, and that becomes a rational number, which is 5, then plus, this is 2 root 4, so 2 multiplied by the root of 4, which is usually 2, because the root of 4 is known to be 2, then minus the root of 10, when we multiply root 2 by root 5, minus the root of 10. Now we can start winding up. In the numerator, we can group like terms now, such that 5 and 4, because 2 times 2 is a 4, that becomes 9, then plus, when we take 2 root 10 minus root 10, we should get root 10, then divided by, this is a 2 multiplied by, okay, when 2 is squared, we get 4. Let me make it a step. Then the root of 2 squared becomes 2, minus the root of 5 squared becomes a 5, becomes 5. So this is going to be 9 minus the root of 10 out of 8 minus 5, which is 3. So now we can simplify 9 over 3. This gives us 3 minus, this is going to be positive, sorry, this is a positive, yeah, then plus root 10 out of 3. So this is the simplest form for the above surds.